Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, 𝓱𝓼𝓭𝓪𝓵 and I am speeding through this intro because I really want to get into the main part of the video because I'm super excited. So, today, we are with the new equestrian festival. I'm so excited. So, we're going to go to my home stable so we can start the quest for that. So, let's call for pickup super quick and head over there right now. Going to my home stable. There we are. So we have to talk with Linda. So let's find her. I think. I think we might have to go to Moorland. I'm not really sure. But let's check out the updates. So an equestrian festival has begun. Find Linda at your home stable or talk to her at the festival grounds in Moorland to start. The new English thoroughbred is here for the Star Riders, and Star Riders will find even more activities and races over throughout the festival. So first, I know that there's some new tack, and I really want it, but I don't know how to get it. Oh, Linda is here. Yay! So let's talk to Linda. Hi, Hadley. Are you headed to the equestrian festival? I hear girls are riding there from riding clubs are there, and the rangers signed up for volunteer jobs to make it a big success. Some of them are so competitive they are probably trying to win a best volunteer award along with the races. Haha, just kidding. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to seeing my friends and their horses. In fact, I just made plans to meet Alex later on. Hope you'll join us. So let's collect our thing here. I will see you in Moorland. So. Hey Hadley, say hello to Tan. She is at the festival for Moorland. And we get a spring token, so that's cool. Let's ride over there now. We might have to get a more spring-like outfit on. What about this outfit? This is good. Leg wraps. We'll just use these front boots for now. And then why don't we put on a baseball cap? There we go. That looks good. And we're almost there. But don't worry. For the next bits, I'll be speeding it up. I just don't want to create multiple clips because that takes really long to edit. And I don't like spending a long time to edit my videos. It's just not worth the hassle. I mean, obviously you guys love it, but it's not worth the hassle for me to spend almost an hour to edit those videos. So, oh, we are here. Oh, it looks so pretty from what I can see so far, guys. Oh my, oh yes, there's a green screen. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Where's Tan? We have to talk to her. Tan. The horses. Oh, yes, the horses. There's Tan. So this must be like the 𝑦ⴏⴏ open house almost. Oh, that's not Tan. Okay. Where is she? Here she is. Nope, that's Loretta. There's going to be a lot of quests, I can already tell. Maybe she's over here. So, like, I see her on my map. Oh, wow. She's right there. Okay, Tan. Alright, let's do this one. Arrive at Moorland, hub of the equestrian festival. Okay. Head on over to 𝑦ⴏ Stables festival ground. Dilly Bones will be waiting for you there. There is a good moment to use the transport at 𝑦ⴏ Stables. What? Transport? Do they mean like a trailer? Do they? Did they give us a trailer to 𝑦ⴏ Stables? We have to see this. Let's go check. Oh, that's a really cute top. We have to see if they give us a trailer to 𝑦ⴏ Stables. Please tell us it did. Please, please, please. I don't see anything to 𝑦ⴏ Stables. 𝑦ⴏ Stables. Nope, I guess we're just gonna have to go to Sunfield Farm. I don't mind, really. Alright, This is so far a really fun update. Excuse me. This is so far a really fun update. I really enjoy it. I don't know about other people, but I think it's pretty fun. But that's just, again, my opinion. We all have different opinions on updates. I know that... Sorry about that. I dropped my mouse for my PC. I know that there are some updates that other people love that I really don't like, but it's okay because we all have different preferences on different things. So, we are here. Now let's go find Lily Bones. Oh, wow. Those are so beautiful. Lily Bones. Oh, I think I went too far. There's the new horse. The new horse. The new horse. Okay, I can't look yet, but there it is. Do you guys see it? Hi, Lily. So, yo, welcome, Hadley. I'm stoked you could make it. Let's do, this one. If you haven't checked out Lucina's and Sturo's tour around the stables yet, now is the perfect time. The tour will teach you about the local history and the surroundings here. I mean, why not? But first, let me practice around on you. I want a challenge to the other clubs. Okay, so it's a rap battle. Okay, yeah, I'm not even gonna try to say that dialogue. That was really hard. So let's find these guys. I think we're here. Yeah, right here. Okay. I'm not gonna read all the dialogue just because I have to give my voice rest, but I will put some music here, so enjoy. We'll enter this little questing montage. And that wraps up the tour. So, ooh, we got some more spring tokens. We love spring tokens. So now, we have to go over here, back to her. Oh, there's so many quests. Okay, so, we're gonna go show jumping. Show jumping. I really love jumping though. I've wanted to do it in real life for a while, but I've never been able to. So I guess you could say it's like kind of a dream come true to me. Ooh. Sounds so petty when you say it out loud though. Don't want to start a high score race. So let's begin. Let's go. Looks like a pretty nice track. I mean, I wouldn't say it's the best of, see, it's not the best to navigate, but I mean, it's there. There's a lot of really sharp turns. Star Stable. Okay, we're gonna have to do a little criticism after this. Wow, this is really difficult to navigate. Okay. Okay. This is actually quite difficult to navigate. After this, we're gonna check out the other race, which is a cross-country race. Or, yeah, we'll do that. And then we'll check out the new horse. And then we'll head back to Moreland. Is this race almost done? Because I really don't like it. But again, just my opinion, my opinion, my opinion. People always think that like the races are gonna be so great, but then it kind of comes to reality, and you see that not everything can be so well done. I mean, no hate to Star Stable, it's really good, but I'm just saying it's really hard to do. I'm just saying, like, it's really hard, especially for when your keyboard is attached to your computer. It's a bit harder because it's not as big as desktops. So, oh, we finally finished that. I competed in the running cross country, like, foot. Okay, whatever. But, like, I did that type of cross country. It was pretty fun. I'm not going to give you my experience on it because I don't want to. It's, like, my personal information. But anyways, it was pretty fun. I would put pictures, but I can't because our jerseys had our school on it. And I don't need to be stalked. So, yeah. I would love to have privacy. I am so sorry about that. Oh, she just said you'll get better the month that you do it. That's nice. Thanks. Okay, I don't want to hear her little, whatever it is, poem, something like that. Oh, I see the new horses. Oh, I just want to buy it. Alright. Where am I going? I feel like I already passed it. Where am I going? I see it. It's like right here. Is this it? Let's start a high score race. Maybe that's what we have to do. Oh, never mind, never mind, never mind. It's down here. It's down here. Alright, let's do that. For some more tokens. Alright, hopefully this isn't too difficult. We should probably put on a helmet. Just in case. This is actually a really good way to get your spring tokens. If you just do all the quests, I'm sure you'll end up rich. I might do all the quests before I buy anything and then come back and do a video and show you guys how many spring tokens I actually have. Also, while I'm doing this race, I want to say, go subscribe to my friend Gemma Rose. She is an awesome person, and we have to restart the race. She is an awesome person. Her videos are so good, and she makes a lot of really good shorts. She also just posted some really heartbreaking news. So if you guys could go give her some love and support by subscribing to her channel. Oh, no, my computer's gonna die. Oopsies. By subscribing to her channel, liking her videos, and telling her that I sent you over to her channel. That would mean so much, guys. That would, like, brighten both of our days. We have a really close relationship, and therefore we do a lot together. So if you guys could just do that, that would really help her out a lot while she's going through these tough times. So thank you guys again for being there. Oh, why do I always try to do the shortcut? Oh. But I really like this cross-country course. Although it's a bit difficult, I really like it. Because there's nothing like a good challenge. Except when you're running up a hill. Yeah, no, I don't like it. We had to do a big test today in school, and it was so boring. Like, the one test literally had one question. Like, thanks. I like that. I'll take more of that. But, I mean, I got home because we had an early release today, and I was like, yes! I finally get to see this new update I've been waiting so long for. And, yeah, your girl's posted a new video, so I mean, what's not to love? I think we're coming in for the final stretch on this race. Okay, why not jump that? Yeah, I think we're coming in for the final stretch. Who puts a jump at the finish line? All right. I was literally second over for gold. Why didn't you just give me the gold medal? I mean, I practically got it. But it's okay. Keep my cool. Alright. So now, we have one more quest. We have like 2 more quests here. And then we get to go check out the new horse. Let's see what this guy has to say, Mark. Okay. I'm not gonna say anything. Yeah. Okay, this is just gonna be really some boring. Okay. Okay, yeah. This doesn't make any sense to me. This doesn't make, like, no sense to me. I don't even know. Oh. No, not another race. Okay. Okay, you guys, another race. Here we go. Wish us all luck. Really, you're starting us off with jumps? What are you, a monster? Nobody starts the race with a jump. How rude. Are we not allowed? Oh, there we go. My horse wouldn't speed up. It's like a car. Go faster. I thought I filled you up with gas. Okay, I don't like this race. I'm just gonna say that. I don't like this race. Not a fan. Not a fan of this race. Okay, where are we going now? Okay, this is quite the interesting track. How much longer till this race is over? Okay, I think we're doing pretty good right now. This is going to be a really long video to edit. I was like, okay, Hadley, this isn't going to be a long video edit. It's just going to be something really short with the update. Yeah, no, we get like a 20-minute video to edit. Who knows, it's probably going to be longer. I'm not breaking this into 2 parts because I know I'll forget to do the second part. So here it is, all in one part, wasting my time. Just kidding, this doesn't waste my time. I literally have nothing to do. So, whoa, sharp turn. Somebody could have warned me I should have brought a better horse for this. I'm looking at my, what horse is this? Appaloosa. And we're doing this. How many more quests do we have? Why did that just happen? Okay. We still probably have like 4 more quests. Did I just miss that checkpoint? What was that noise? It's my stress relieving noise. Oh, thank goodness I made it. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this track. Downhill running, no. Please, no. Oh, that wasn't even the end? Where am I going? Okay, if you want to get frustrated, here is the track for you. Like, I'm just trying to enjoy my Wednesday afternoon. Or you might see this on Thursday, but like, I have to do this. Oh, wow, that was difficult. Okay. Let's go over to Mark. Mark, I did not like that track. Yeah, great job. Thank you. Okay, I think we have 1 more quest, and that might be the petting zoo quest, which is super easy. There's nothing really to do with it. It's just basically a click one. So if you guys don't mind, I'm just gonna click through this one. If you want to get more in depth with the quest, you can do that. So let's see our quest log here. Let's see what else we have to do. Oh, I never collected my cross-country race thing. What the heck? Who am I supposed to go do that with? Okay. Oh, there's the new horse. Don't look. Don't look, guys. Don't look. But might as well check that out. Here we have the new horse. Pardon me. Oh, whoa. This is so cool. No way. This is awesome. So here we have the English thoroughbred. It looks super nice. Oh, it shows you the gates. Yes. Change coat. Okay. You can change the mane right here. Awesome. What does this mean? Personalize and buy. Oh my gosh. I'm not going to be buying this horse, so I'm going to be saving up for the other horses that are coming back. Coming out. Super excited for that. Okay, let's collect my little stuff from Lily Bones. More quests. Alright. Oh, 10 points. Alright. Let's get back to Moreland now and check out the quests that we have there. So I'm just moisturizing while I'm calling for pickup. Oh, I'm already there. That was quick. If I do a post on this on Instagram, how many of you are gonna like it? I count on you guys to get me to 100 followers. You guys, like, I'm counting on you. Please get me to 100 followers. All I'm trying to do is get to 100 followers. I'm trying to get more creative. I do a lot of good stories. Like, I do stories. I don't really post on Instagram. I do a lot of more stories. I'm just going to keep saying stories over and over. I love posting stories with color. Sorry about that. I just had to go on about my stories. My stories. Okay, I'm done. I promise. But anyways, yeah, go give me a follow. That would mean a lot. I see the festival. So, there is literally so much to do at this festival. You could, like, there's just so much to do. I think I have to go talk to Tan now that we're done with that quest. I feel like my computer's about to crash. Tan, here we go. Welcome to the question. Alright, so let's talk to Tan. Oh no, there's so many. ᴏᴜ stables. Okay. There is a new transportation at the main hub. This must be it right here. Okay. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just running around. Go and try the transportation. I don't know where it is. Okay, where is it? Well, that's closed up. Okay, first, what's here? Nothing new. I'm just so lost right now. Who's that guy? Okay. Maybe it's over here. What's this? Oh my gosh, you can get pets for the tokens. No way. No way. I don't know where this transportation is. Can someone help me? Transportation is somewhere here. Okay, good deal. I guess we're not going to be checking out the transportation box. It's probably this right here. It's probably this. It's probably this. I knew it. I knew it. Oh, that hurts my brain cells. Why is this such a long video? That hurts my brain cells too. You guys better buckle up for a long video, because this is going to be a long one. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Welcome back. Okay, now that I finished that, let's do celebrating championships. Okay. Tan wants you to go see the championships. Okay, championships. Sorry. Compete in a championship? Okay. Okay. Now what do I do? Okay, that's nice. What? Dr. Hugh has a new setup for the vets, so let's go see that. Here it is. I literally just went. Oh my gosh. This is so difficult. Oh, I don't wanna do that. No, thank you. They were about to make me pay 10 of my good points for that. No. 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 No, no, no. No, 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 no. Sorry about that. So, let's see. Learning about activities. Good, I don't have to go on a tour this time. I love the dance floor. That's like one of my favorite places to go. 1 minute. Alright guys, we're back. Better than ever to go check out some more of these festivities. Let's go over here. Oh, storage. Wrong place. Oh, but there are some activities to do here. Okay. Let's see what else. Here we can exchange. So let's see what we can exchange for. They're so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. Oh, and some of this stuff is really cheap too. I love the boots. Wait, are the boots purple? Are they purple on it? Oh, okay. You guys, I love the top. They have an outfit I've seen that I really wanted, but I don't know where to get it. So let's go check over here. Maybe it's over here. Because I seen it and I was like, oh, I gotta have it. It's not here. Okay. Dang it. I think I just passed a little event thingy over here. Yep. The green screens. How did I know? Alright. Now that we finished that quest, it was super easy and simple. Let's go back. The next quest is going to be not so easy and simple. Do I actually have to compete in a championship? Please no. Please no. I just don't wanna. I really don't want to compete in a champ. Okay. Races. That's fun. Oh. Well, let's first. There's more things to do at 𝑦ᴏᴜ stables. Please no. Okay. I hope you visit 𝑦ᴏᴜ stables. I don't actually have to go there. Yay! Where am I going? Where is this race? Run, 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 run. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Let's check this out. For 3 tokens. Not bad. Let's go. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. It's just a few of these little jumps. Okay. I can handle that. I don't even have to jump them. So, hello. Okay. Oh my gosh. You almost just missed that. You're really concentrated there. If this is as long as it is, oh, never mind. And we're going this way. That's nice. Okay. Good to know. Good to know. We're going up and around. Woohoo! Here we go. Here we go. Oh, that dance floor is lit up oh so lovely. Oh, a shop. Okay. Oh, we already checked out that shop. Yeah. Let's go this way. Woohoo! That was really cool. This is actually a really nice race. Oh, this girl, she's following behind me. Oh, no. This girl, she's catching up to me. No! Can't let it happen. Hurry, hurry. Horsey, go, go, go. Yeah, got my tokens and horse XP. Wow, we're almost to 40 tokens already. That's awesome. I can't believe we're already up to almost 40 tokens. Alright, let's see what Loretta has. If you think you can answer my quiz correctly, I guess I have time for you to win this jacket. Alright, let's try. Okay. Let's see. Oh wait, what did she say? One. Aww. Okay. Okay, this is kind of difficult. Oh wow, this is okay. Let's talk to Ginny. We got a new jacket. Oh, this is really cute. I'm gonna have to make an outfit with this later. There are so many fun things to do here, you guys. So much fun stuff to do. So many fun things to redeem for. So much activity. I'm gonna go do the champ when it comes time for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.